Hi everyone. So in the last or my previous video, we discussed regarding excretion. That means definition of excretion and need of excretion we discussed. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the excretory system, which is developed for elimination of waste materials from the body. So now in this video, we are going to learn the excretion or excretory system in humans. Excretory system in humans. So in the humans excretory system, it consists of a pair of kidneys. It consists of a pair of kidneys. It consists of a pair of kidneys. So this is right kidney and this is left kidney. So two kidneys are present. These are in bean shaped. These are in bean shaped. Two kidneys are present. They are in bean shaped and they are in reddish brown in color. Reddish brown in color. Okay, and these kidney measurements, if you observe, so the length of the kidneys, it is about 10 to 12 centimeters. Length is about 10 to 12 centimeters and breadth it is about 5 to 6 centimeters. 5 to 6 centimeters and the thickness it is about 4 centimeters. Okay, so in the urinary system or excretory system of humans, there are a pair of kidneys. So these kidneys are bean shaped and they are in reddish brown in color. Okay, and measurements, if you observe, the length of the kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeters and breadth it is about 5 to 6 centimeters and thickness it is about 4 centimeters. Okay, and this, if you observe, the external surface or outer surface, it is convex, and the inner surface is concave. So this is the outer surface. Outer surface is convex and inner surface is concave. So in the concave region, there is a notch here. This is a notch. From the notch, from each notch, what happens? A whether a tubular structure arises and it moves down. So this tubular structure we call as a ureter. This tubular structure we call as a ureter. So from each kidney, one ureter arises. So this both the ureters, they opens into a sac-like structure. They opens into a sac-like structure called a urinary bladder. So these are ureters and this is urinary bladder. And this urinary bladder, it opens out through a tube. This is called urethra. This is called urethra. So this is right kidney and this is left kidney. If we draw a parallel line here, see, when compared to the left kidney, the right kidney is located somewhat down. Okay, why? Because here most of the abdomen, because this is located in the abdominal cavity. This total system, it is located in abdominal cavity and towards the dorsal wall. So these kidneys are attached to the dorsal wall and in the abdominal cavity it is located. So here this side, right side, here the liver is located. Most of the abdominal cavity right side liver is located. That's why it is somewhat lower than left kidney. Okay. So here if you observe from this notch ureters come out, as well as the blood vessels which brings oxygenated blood to the kidneys also enters through this hilus or hilum. This notch is called hilum. Through this hilum only, so your ureters come out, as well as, so here this notch we call as a hilum. Through this hilum only your ureters opens into the kidneys, as well as the blood vessel which bring blood to the kidneys also opens into the kidneys through this hilum only. Okay, so in our body the main artery is aorta. So from that aorta, so one blood vessel enters into the kidneys through hilum. Through hilum enters into the kidneys. So that blood vessel which is supplying blood to the kidneys, these two are called renal arteries. Renal artery. So this is one renal artery and this is also renal artery. This supplies oxygenated blood to the kidneys. Now when this oxygenated blood enters into that, even though it is oxygenated blood, it possesses a lot of waste materials in it. That's why we can say that blood as a dirty blood. So this renal artery bring oxygenated dirty blood to the kidneys. So inside the kidneys what happens? So oxygen is utilized, as well as that which is present in that blood, that means metabolic waste is filtered here in the kidneys. Then the vein which carries deoxygenated blood and pure blood, or that means without or with less metabolic waste. So that blood carried by veins in the body, veins in the kidneys. So they arises and come out from this through hilum only come out and opens into, so here they open into vein. They open into vein. So this is artery and this is vein. So this artery bring the dirty blood, or that means the blood which possesses more metabolic waste, that brings blood to the kidneys. So inside the kidneys, that is filter, then the pure blood again it enters into the, that means clean blood enters into the veins. This vein we call as a renal vein. This vein we call as a renal vein. Renal vein. Okay, this is a renal artery which bring blood to the kidneys. So which is related to kidneys. Renal means related to kidneys. So renal artery brings blood that consists of more metabolic waste, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood with less metabolic waste. Okay, so like this here the urinary system or excretory system of humans consists of these parts. What are that? A pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, and urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, so this ureters, they are about 25 to 30 centimeters in length. 25 to 30 centimeters in length. And coming to the urethra, it is different from males and females. In males, it is about 20 centimeters in length in males, but in females, it is only about 4 centimeters in length. Urethra. Okay, here blood is filtered and urine is formed. So that formed urine travels through this ureters and enters into the urethra, then through urinary bladder, then it come out through urethra. So this happens in the urinary system of humans. But if you want to know clearly how the blood enters into the kidneys and how it filters, everything, if you want to know, we have to see the longitudinal section of kidneys, so that we can understand how the blood purified in the kidneys. Okay, that we will learn in the next video. Thank you.